Hello! In this video, I'm gonna tell you if Samsung Galaxy A17 macro camera is real or fake. And this is a really good question. This is a question I ask myself every time I get a budget phone. Because often one of the cameras is fake and stuff like that. Fortunately here it's not fake, it's real, and it is useful in some scenarios, in some specific scenarios, but I can explain it. If you want to learn more about the camera, let's go to the camera app. And now the standard phone camera, a typical one, non-macro camera, is really great at picturing things from a distance of at least 20 centimeters, which is about 8 inches, I believe. 8 inches, 20 centimeters. It's great, at least that. But from a shorter distance, they are not really good. And that's because every camera has its focus range. And now the macro camera is actually the reverse. It's really good at capturing photos from a close distance, like, 1 or 2 inches, but not too good at taking pictures from far away. And I'll demonstrate. Let's go to more in our camera, then go to macro. Now you can see, hold the camera 1 or 2 inches away from the subject. I will take a picture of this plant. I'll try to make it as good as I can so I can demonstrate. And now from the same distance, I will take a standard photo. You can already see the difference. Now let's see the taken photos. By the way, don't mind this fun button in here. It's a floating shutter. You can enable it in settings if you want. But yeah, if we go to the photos taken, this is from the standard camera and this is from the macro camera. You can see it is a complete difference in sharpness. Now let's try taking the same style of photos, but this time from distance. So now it's the normal camera. You probably can't see it really good right now because my camera I'm recording the video with isn't in focus currently. But I'm gonna do as best as I can. Then let's switch to more and macro. And now you'll see a difference. So yeah, as you can see, in some specific scenarios, it is useful, like if you're capturing some plants from very close, or some bees or flies or butterflies. You can see this is the macro camera from a distance, not too good. And now this is the standard lens, much better. But on the other hand, this is a standard lens from close by. And this is the macro lens from a very close distance. So now I think you can make a decision on which one to use in which scenarios. And I hope that I was helpful with this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.